Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching. Today we're going to be seeing what I got for my Ipsy bags for the month of April 2021. We have the regular Glam bag and the Glam bag plus. These are my Ipsy Open Studios bags, but I'm also a little confused because I have two separate packages. So we're going to open them up and see what is inside. So thank you so much to Ipsy for sending over this PR. You guys are so sweet. I love Ipsy so much, and I can't wait to see what I got this month. If you guys are curious what is on my eyes right now, I am wearing the Peeps X Hip Dot eyeshadow palette. I did a little quick look. I'm sure it's going to be like a 5-minute video, so I'll have that up as soon as possible. And I also have a really huge giveaway going on. If you can't tell from behind me, I have a huge Lizzie McGuire X ColourPop giveaway going on. I will have that video linked below. The giveaway video is the Too Faced Teddy Bear palette video. I have it linked below. This was also a very gorgeous palette, so if you guys want to see the review, enter a giveaway, and have multiple chances to win, because there is a lot back here, then definitely click the video and get all of the details. So yeah, if you guys are into these types of videos for me, because I am your friendly neighborhood spoiler and unboxing gal, then please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean so much, especially because I've noticed in my analytics that over half of my viewers are not even subscribed. So if you're already viewing this video, if you would do me the honor and hit the subscribe button, it would melt my heart. And let's go ahead and get into the video. Alright, so we're gonna start out with my Ipsy Open Studios box here, and we're gonna see everything that we got inside. And you know, I was thinking that these bags reminded me of like cacti, and then you guys were like, it looks like the sea, like coral, and I'm like, oh, you're right, and I'm dumb. Yeah, definitely that's what it looks like. So I'm just going to quickly show you guys what is in this little bag. So we have the Bare Minerals Mineralist Lip Gloss Balm in the shade Sincerity, which is really cute. I actually have a Bare Minerals lipstick or lip balm from a recent package, recent something, I don't know, but here it is right here. This is the shade. Let's give it a little swatch for you guys. Ooh, that smells like not any other lip gloss that I've ever smelled before. Wow, I cannot talk today. I haven't filmed but one video in or two videos in like the last 3 weeks. It smells really good. Here is the shade. Sorry, I have past swatches from a past video on, but anyways, next product we have is the Tatcha the Water Cream, which I actually picked out for my bag for this month too. So I'm really excited to have another one, which will make 3 for me, and I'm overjoyed. If you guys want to see the video of where I show you everything that's coming in my Glam Bag Plus, I will be doing that, plus a bunch of spoilers for May. Next from the brand Mystic, this is the Hydro Serum Hydro Hair Serum. So that is interesting, really fun. Let's give it a whiff. It smells really good. It's like a little clear gel. So, okay. Next up from RMS Beauty, we have the Living Luminizer. I'm really glad I didn't pick this since I got this in my bag. So RMS Beauty. Whoop. And Living Luminizer. I don't know what this is exactly. Oh, I about dropped it. I think it's just like a cream balmy highlighter, I guess, that you could put under your eyes as a highlight, because I like to put my balm under my eyes. It's just clear, shiny balm. So I'll have to look into see what that product is. And then we have the Kush Mascara from Milk Makeup here. I think I have this already, but I can't remember. Has a really nice thick brush, perfect for blending your lashes in with your fake lashes, or just wearing the mascara in general. Next up we have from the NUCO, it's the Pill All-in-One Serum, which this came, not this, but this brand was coming in Allure too. Everything your skin needs in a single dose, 24 non-toxic ingredients, including glycolic acid, lactic acid, hyaluronic acid, and tiger grass to deeply hydrate, resurface, plump, and tighten the skin. I would love to tighten my skin, so I'm going to definitely give that a go ASAP. ASAP. The last thing in here, and not all of these products are coming in this bag, that's just what they stuck it in. I'm pretty sure these are the 2 full-size items that go along with the Glam Bag Plus. We have a turmeric and vitamin C clay mask here. My skinny mask from Australia. Pretty much any kind of mask that I've ever gotten and it was from Australia has always been really, really good. I'm going to assume this is going to be yellow since it's turmeric. The last turmeric mask I had, I loved. So, oh yeah, this is definitely a yellow mask. I'm sure it's going to smell just like it too. It doesn't, but yeah, this is a fun little Easter mask color, huh? Cute. Okay, let me just wipe it somewhere because I didn't mean to make such a mess. I'm just going to get my Kylie wipes. Okay, so now we have from Coco Kind the Oil to Milk Cleanser. I am a cleanser whore. I love cleansers, so I'm excited to try this. I've never heard of this brand, but I'm open to try a new cleanser for sure. Let's see, what does it smell like? It's definitely a jelly-like color consistency. I don't know. It smells good, so I'm excited to give that a go. And then we have from Item, this is the Light Sauce Balancing Gel Moisturizer. We sure have a lot of skincare products. So I do have to appreciate the packaging. The packaging is really, really cute. And I do like gel moisturizers over lotiony type ones. They just work better for me. I don't know if it has a smell. I feel like I'm smelling everything else right now, but it does feel really, really hydrating on the skin, which I'm just going to put that on my hands because they're pretty dry and cracked right now because of all of the things I've been doing. My hands were covered in gardening soil earlier because I planted a bunch of plants this morning. I've been just really busy around the house. That's what you do when you're a homeowner. You fix your house up and stuff, so that's why I haven't really been filming. I've just been doing other things, plus a lot of personal stuff going on in my life. But anyways, the last item, plus some other stuff, is from The Balm and the beautiful eyeshadow palette. The Balm used to be The Balm back in the day. Why can't I open this? Oh. So here it is. I'm going to assume these are just like very popular shades from other palettes. We got Cut, Green Screen, Autograph, Makeup Artist, Roll Credits, Red Carpet, Chick Flick, Cliffhanger. Size matters, so reduce your carbon footprint. Please recycle this packaging. Oh, that's good. Yeah, and then you can just pop these little pans out and recycle. Cute. That's interesting. Love that. Let me just close this back up. And then we're going to show you the last item I got in this box. And then I'm going to show you these 2 other packages I got from Ipsy because I'm really confused why I would get any more packages from them because I didn't get anything else. Here is the Plus bag right here, which I do like to bundle items up for my Poshmark orders and put them in the bags. Then my Force of Nature Ipsy Open Studios little thing. And then we have a Ipsy umbrella, which is really exciting. Like I actually have a yellow umbrella in my car right now, but I don't have a yellow Ipsy umbrella. So I'm pretty excited about this because, well, obviously it rains a lot. So I can't wait to use this umbrella. I'm not going to open it because that's bad luck. But yeah, I'm so excited. Thank you, Ipsy. So now I got this package and I don't get Ipsy refreshments. So that's why I'm just like, what is this? So here we go. I guess they don't change the Ipsy refreshment bags because it's been the same ever since the beginning. Okay, so we have the stickers. Welcome to your party for one. Get ready to jazz things up. But I don't have a subscription for refreshments. I did on my old account until I just switched over so my Ipsy Open Studio didn't mess up my regular glam bag. Yeah, so this is just the razor kit, which is nice to have another one because I have one in my shower currently. So it's good to have another one. And then I also was sent this one. So let's see what is in here. Cute little paper rings or something. Okay. Now let's see what is in here. Okay, so we have more stickers. You're invited, party of one, blink in your bathroom is stocked. So it's a completely different booklet than the first one that I got. Okay. And then I just got more razors. So I don't know. I didn't pay for them. So maybe they came from Ipsy. I don't know. But yeah, that's everything that I got in my Ipsy so far for this month. I don't think I have any repeat items for my purchase bag, so definitely stay tuned for the video where I show you everything that I got in my purchase bag and my choices and all of that. What did you get? Did you like this month? Let me know. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!